Hello everyone and welcome back to the Breakdown How To. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to install SecurityCraft in Minecraft 1.12.2. But before we get into the video, I want to remind you it's brought to you by Game Servers. Go to the breakdown.xyz/MC server. First link down below to get an awesome 24-hour DDoS protected Minecraft server for just $1 per month. We use them ourselves here and it is absolutely incredible. You will not regret it. Let's get on into it. So how do you install SecurityCraft? Well, first off, before we can install SecurityCraft, we need to get Forge. To do that, go to the second link down below, thebreakdown.xyz/Forge. It will take you here, where you then want to scroll down to where you can see the big green Download Forge button. Click on that, and it will take us off to MinecraftForge.net, where we want to make sure the Minecraft 1.12.2 version of Forge is selected. To check that, it should be right here, right? So MC 1.12.2. If it says MC 1.12, for example, we need to come over here to the side and make sure we click MC 1.12.2. Once you've got it there, we can then go under Download Latest and then click on Installer right here, which will then take us off to Add Focus, where you don't want to click anything at all on this page. Just don't click anything until the red skip button appears in the top right. Then you want to click that red skip button. It will then download Forge, where we want to make sure that that says Forge at the beginning and .jar at the end, which ours does, and then we can go ahead and click Keep. It will now download Forge. Now we need to download SecurityCraft. To do that, go to the third link down below, and it will take you here to Curse Forge, where you can download SecurityCraft. We then want to click on the Files button right here, right next to Overview, and it will take us to where we can see all of the SecurityCraft versions ever made. We want to find one for 1.12.2, which we can find right there. And it might be on farther down, by the way, for some of you, but for us currently, it's the most recent one. So we want to find that, scroll over, and click on Download File. And then we want to keep this file. It's safe, guys. It's been downloaded 61,000 times. We can then minimize our browser, and we have Forge and SecurityCraft on our desktop. They are on your desktop. Don't freak out. Hit the Windows key on your keyboard, which looks like the Windows icon in the top left or bottom right of your screen, and R at the exact same time. That will open up the Run program, where you then want to type in Downloads and hit Enter. It'll be here in your Downloads folder where you should find this stuff. Take it and drag it to your desktop just for ease of use. Once it's on your desktop, let's go ahead and start off with Forge. Right-click on the file we downloaded, open with Java TM Platform SC Binary, and then it will open the mod system installer for Forge. We then want to make sure Install Client is selected, and then click OK. It'll now go through, download some things, and woohoo, successfully installed Client Profile Forge. Awesome. Click OK there, and now we can drag that Forge file right there to the side. Now let's get SecurityCraft installed. To do that, hit the Windows key on your keyboard yet again, and R at the exact same time again, except this time we're not going to type in downloads. We're going to type %appdata%, %appdata%, and hit Enter. It will then open up the roaming folder, where we then want to go into .minecraft, and we should have a mods folder. But Nick, what if we don't have a mods folder? What do we do? Well, don't freak out. Just right-click, create a new folder, title it mods, M-O-D-S, exactly like that, all lowercase, hit Enter, and open your newly created mods folder. Then take SecurityCraft and drag and drop it into the mods folder, and boom, just like that, it's installed. Let's go ahead and open up the Minecraft launcher. And by the way, you've got SecurityCraft installed at this point. It's good to go. So be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. It really does mean the world to me. Nevertheless, let's go ahead and make sure we've got the correct profile selected in the Minecraft launcher. So click the little green arrow next to the play button here. It will open up the profiles you have in Minecraft. We want to make sure Forge is selected, and then you should be able to hit play. If for whatever reason it doesn't work, that's fine. Come back to the Minecraft launcher here, go over here to Launch Options, select the Forge profile here, and then we want to select the drop-down box next to Version. Scroll all the way down to the bottom, where you'll most likely have multiple Forge versions installed. We want to find one for 1.12.2, and then select the latest. So in my case, 2654 is a lot newer than 2611, 2624, or 2625. So we want to go with 2654 right there. Click that, click Save, and then go back to News over here, where again, we want to make sure that Forge profile is selected, and then click Play. Now it will open up Minecraft 1.12.2 with SecurityCraft installed. I'll see you guys on the Minecraft main menu. Once you're on the Minecraft main menu, it's very easy to see if SecurityCraft's installed. Just go over here to your mods, little tab right there. Scroll down to the bottom, and there it is, Security Craft. We can also jump into a Minecraft creative world here. Don't worry about that. That's just from a different mod tutorial I did. It's telling me all those things are going to disappear. You won't have that error when you launch up. Boom, there it is. Security Craft is installed, and thanks for using Security Craft. So we can actually do /sc help and get all of the Security Craft manual here. Go through it and learn everything that is in the game added by Security Craft. Since we're in creative, we can also go over here and just see it. But nevertheless, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is a brand new channel, guys, and your subscriptions really do mean the world to us. Also, if you have any issues, post them in the comment section down below. We reply to every comment. Also, if this worked, just post in the comment section down below letting us know it worked. It really does mean a lot to us. Anyway, guys, I'm Nick. Thank you so much for watching. This has been the Breakdown How To, and I'm out, guys. Peace.